Let's adjust the thruster alignment.
Agreed. The simulations show better efficiency.
I'll update the specs now.
Perfect. Let's review the changes.
Let's adjust the fuel manifold. Agreed. Rerouting power now.
That stabilizes the flow.
Yes, efficiency is up.
Alignment looks good on the left. Copy that, continuing the pass. Right side, watch the heat on that seam.
Pressure is spiking. Initiate the bypass.
Bypass active. Level
Monitor
stabilizing.
fluctuations. Good. Confirmed. All green.
Check the fuel line pressure here. Looks stable. I'll log it. Good. Next, the nozzle alignment. Initiating bore depth measurement. Confirmed. Check alignment. Alignment is optimal. Good. Log the data. Check the power levels on that module.
Levels are stable. Wiring is secure.
Module is seated. All good.